Well guys, I got another little short video for you here. Nothing too much happened since my last video other than got valve adjustment done. But actually my exhaust tip, the weld broke on it, so that came off. Good thing it didn't come off when I was driving, so I didn't lose it or anything, so I'll just have to get that welded back on there. And in these past few videos I forgot to show you guys what I got under here. Actually, this is a Espar heating system. It's basically turn it on and you can set it during winter and stuff, and you can set it for times and it'll run for 2 hours and heats your engine up and stuff, so it's always nice to have, especially if you're going out sledding or something and you get back and your truck won't start. Well, you have that thing. So you guys haven't heard the exhaust yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the truck on. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the my blow-by tube.